Hi, I am Satyanarayanan. Welcome to our channel. Like, let's impart knowledge and education. You can reach us through senddoubts@gmail.com. To see more videos, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the notification button.
Hi, today we are going to see about unit conversions and calculations. Let me start with pressure. Pressure will always be denoted as lowercase p, that is small p. The unit may be represented as Pascal. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. Another form is bar. 1 bar is equal to 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. Another form, 1 bar is equal to 100 kilonewton per meter square. Look at this. This is 10 power 5 Newton per meter square. This Newton per meter square is converted into kilonewton per meter square. So to convert from Newton to kilonewton, I have divided this by 1000. So 10 power 5 becomes 100. 100 kilonewton per meter square can also be written as 100 kilopascal because I have already told you 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. This kilonewton per meter square is converted into kilopascal. In the problem, the pressure may be given in any form, but we need pressure only in kilopascal. Next one is temperature. Temperature is denoted with uppercase T. You know very well, 1 degree Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. Our standard usage is Kelvin. So you have to use temperature only in Kelvin. Next one is mass. Mass is represented with lowercase m. The unit of mass is kilogram. Next one is mass flow rate, that is m dot. A dot is placed over the m. Look at this. Mass is written as kilogram. Mass flow rate is written as kilogram per second. The reason is mass with respect to rate, that is with respect to time. Since the time is involved, you have to represent the mass flow rate as kilogram per second. In the problem, the mass flow rate may be given in kilogram per minute or kilogram per hour, but you should always convert the mass flow rate into kilogram per second. Next one is volume. Volume is represented with capital V, uppercase V. The unit of volume is meter cube. Similar to mass flow rate, the volumetric flow rate is represented with dot over V, that is V dot. The unit of volume is meter cube. The unit of volumetric flow rate, rate means with respect to temperature, the unit becomes meter cube per second. The unit of velocity, it is always represented with C because volume is represented with V. So velocity, in order to differentiate volume and velocity, we are representing velocity as C. The unit of velocity is meter per second. Next one is heat. Heat is represented with uppercase Q. The unit should always be in kilowatt. Even though if it is given in watt, you have to convert this into kilowatt. Specific heat. Specific heat means kilowatt per kilogram. The mass is taken as 1 kilogram. If it is a heat, you have to use uppercase character. If it is a specific heat, you have to use small q, that is lowercase character. Next one is work. Similar to heat, work, unit of work is kilowatt. The symbol of work is uppercase W. Similarly, specific work means lowercase w and the unit will also be kilowatt per kilogram. And next one, specific heat at constant pressure. The specific heat should be represented with C. Since it is a constant pressure, C suffix P. Unit is kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. In some of the problems, you may see that the unit of Cp may be in joule per kilogram Kelvin. You have to convert this into kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. Specific heat at constant volume, similar to Cp. C suffix V. The unit will be same, kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. Unit conversions. 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. 1 kilojoule can be represented as 1 kilonewton per meter. 1 joule per second is equal to 1 watt. 1 kilojoule per second is equal to 1 kilowatt. Kilogram meter per second square is nothing but Newton. Kilogram meter per second square is nothing but Newton. Kilogram into 9.81 is also called as Newton. Next one is unit calculations. I have taken two examples. Look at this. Mass flow rate is multiplied by specific internal energy. Mass flow rate, the unit of mass flow rate is kilogram per second. The unit of specific internal energy is kilojoule per kilogram. If it is an internal energy, I would have mentioned this as uppercase U and the unit will be kilojoule. Since it is a specific internal energy, I have used lowercase u and the unit is also mentioned as kilojoule per kilogram. I have written this combination here with a small change. This kilogram and kilogram is mentioned in the similar color for your understanding purpose. So kilogram gets cancelled. Remaining term is kilojoule per second. You know very well joule per second is watt. Just now I have told you in the previous slide. So this kilojoule per second becomes kilowatt. Similar to that, for another example, mass flow rate is multiplied by specific enthalpy. If it is an enthalpy, I would have mentioned this as uppercase h. Since it is a specific enthalpy, I have denoted this as lowercase h. The unit of mass flow rate is kilogram per second. The unit of specific enthalpy is kilojoule per kilogram. The unit kilogram gets cancelled, so that you will be getting kilowatt.